Hi everyone, welcome back to JavaScript coding interview questions, day 7. So today we are going to check the given two strings are anagrams or not. What exactly anagram means? Two strings are said to be anagrams if they contain the same characters in the same frequency, but the order may be different. For example, if you see listen, listen and silent, this is considered as a anagram. What happens here? These two strings are said to be anagrams if they contain the same characters. If you see, it contains the same characters in the same frequency. So we are going to write a program to find out these kind of strings are anagrams or not. Okay. So without wasting much time, let's start the coding. Let me create a simple function. Function is anagram. Let me call this function straight away. Let me pass those strings silent, silent, listen, listen. Okay, now it receives str1, str2. I received two strings. Okay. Now there might be a chance of it could be lowercase or uppercase. So let's convert the given strings or received strings into lowercase. So const s1 equal to str1 to lower case. This will create all the string into lowercase. s2 str2 into lowercase. So what I did, I have converted both the strings into lowercase. Hope this is clear. Now the second step is I need to create a simple check whether the length of these two strings are equal or not. If it is not equal, doesn't make any sense to continue further. It can be stopped then and there. So it means if s1 dot length is not equal to s2 dot length, I can straight away stop this execution. If it is not equal, doesn't make any sense. Return false. If it is same, then it will go to the next step. So here what I am going to do, I am going to create two objects. Counter1 equal to empty object. Counter2 is also an empty object. Basically, I am going to count the number of characters in each string and I will be storing it into a object format. So let's start with the s1. For let char of s1 counter1 of char is equal to counter1 of char. So if it is available, or if it is not available, then it will be 0 plus 1. Similar way I will do for the s2 also. For let char of s2 counter 2 of char is equal to, let's check, counter 2 of char it is available, then take it, or will be considered as a 0 plus 1. Superb. So I have created the number of characters in each string in an object format. Now I am going to verify this. So I can verify, I can use for let key in, I am iterating through this particular object. If counter 1 of key is not equal to counter 2 of key, then it is not anagram. I can return the false. Now let's return true. Means if this particular if condition is not met for all the characters in that particular object, it is very clear that it is anagram, because this condition will met only if it is not anagram. Means in this given string, the number of characters is not equal to the second string number of characters, then this will become true and this line will be executed. So if it is not gone inside this if condition, means it is anagram. That is the reason finally I am returning false. Let's check the result. Const final result equal to console log this. Let's run this. Yes, it is true. Let's pass the different string. It is false. Can you see this? Okay. Now let me explain the same thing. I have received two strings here. So I have converted all the strings I received into lowercase. Then I checked the length of the given two strings. If it is not same, then I am returning false, so that the next lines won't be executed. Then I have created two objects to find out how many characters length in the given string. So I am looping through for str1, I am looping through for str2. I have created the length of the characters in the each string. Then I am finding it here. I am verifying that each strings is equal or not. If it is not equal, then I am returning false. I am declaring it is not anagram. So if it is coming to this line, it means that particular given string is anagram. So this is how we can find out whether that particular string is anagram or not. So this is a very classic logic building interview question. So I suggest you to spend some good amount of time to practice this kind of coding questions. So that's all from this video. Thank you very much, guys. If you need any questions to be added into JavaScript coding interview question series, I would like to ask you to comment below this video so that I can take it up to the next coming videos. Thank you very much. Bye, guys.